Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off haptic feedback in the Duolingo application. First of all, launch open Duolingo app on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page, go to the three dots at the bottom right corner and then click on Profile. Inside your profile section, tap the gear button at the top right corner. Once you open up this settings menu, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, toggle off the button right next to haptic feedback. Once you have this button turned off, you'll be able to turn off the vibration or haptic feedback inside the Duolingo app. Turning off haptic feedback in Duolingo only affects the app. Other apps will still vibrate unless you do the system method. So that's it. You now should be able to enjoy quieter, non-vibrating Duolingo lessons. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.